Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a portable door lock. If you see the one that we got right here, basically looks like this, and this is from a brand called AceMining. So for this brand, they actually make a lot of different type of like portable door locks like this one right here, where you guys can use it for almost any kind of doors when you guys are like traveling, maybe going to like a hotel or like an Airbnb. So that way you can get that extra security lock in your door when you guys are visiting somewhere, which is really convenient. I actually reviewed another one from this brand before that looks a little bit different but works the same way. If you guys don't remember which one I'm talking about, let me show you guys really quick. Alright, so once you guys take one of them out, this is what the product looks like on this side. If you guys flip around to the other side, this is what the other side looks like. So when you guys do set it up, you guys want to make sure this part is going into the hole, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. Once you guys do that, you guys want to use this part right here, and then kind of lock it here or here. It'll be better if you guys can lock it right here. So you guys want to fit the back on here. You guys want to rotate it this way, and kind of push it down. So just like that. Once you guys do that, if someone tries to open up the door, they can't open it because it's locked. And when you guys do set up the product, it only works for doors that open inward and not outward. If you guys have a door that open outward, it won't work. Alright, so if you guys saw on that quick little test, you guys can see how the product works. But this one's a little bit different design. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it works. Alright, so once you guys take it out, there's a black bag inside. And once you guys take the product out inside, here is basically what the product looks like. But right here, you see we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And it's from this brand right here, like I mentioned. So here is what the product looks like on this side, and here is other side. So the way how you guys use this one is basically the same as the other one. All you need to do is put this side onto the door, and you guys want to lock this on top. And then once you guys do that, you guys will get the security that's on here, so that way people cannot open your door. And if you guys notice with this one, it has a similar design as the other one I showed you guys last time as well, where they have a bigger option and smaller option, so that way you can use it for almost any kind of door lock. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how it works and what it looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So when you guys do set it up, you need to use both hands. So one hand right here, and unlock it together. So for this side, you guys want to insert it in right here. Just like that. And you basically want to close the door onto right here. So just like that. Once you guys have that all set up, then you guys can just lock it. So just like that, and it's all set. So now if you guys try to open it, you guys can't open it unless you guys unlock this part right here. But that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It was actually pretty easy. All you need to do is put on like the stainless steel plate, and you guys can insert the thing on top to actually lock it in. It basically works the same way as the one that I showed you guys last time, to give you guys the extra security when you guys are traveling or going somewhere that you guys don't know. So that way if someone tries to open the door, they cannot. So like I mentioned, for those of you guys who are planning to go traveling somewhere like an Airbnb or hotel, that's where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want and need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.